everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. We had selling again today. All right. So Dow was down 45 points. Um, NASDAQ was down 181 points on the NASDAQ, guys. Big down day on the NASDAQ. S&P was down. Russell was down. All right. So market is selling off. All right. Um, let's take a look at the indexes. All right. So um, our sell short signal is still in place on the Dow right here. Sell short signal on the Dow. Still waiting for a sell short signal on the NASDAQ and the S&P. We do have a sell short signal on the Russell. Look at that, guys. Look at that Russell come down. All right. All right. Clearly in the markdown phase. All right. S&P, we're waiting for a sell short signal, but we have a sell signal. We have a sell signal and we have red candles. All right. Right here. All right, so we've got to pay attention to these sell signals. As a matter of fact, we got a sell signal today on Bitcoin. All right, we'll take a look at that. Take a look at Bitcoin. And here's the NASDAQ, right? Red candles coming down. All right, so the buying is done for now. All right. That's why we do this, so there's no surprises. We don't have any surprises, right? We know what's going on. Here is the VIX. The VIX is at 1821. If we get continued selling, all right, tomorrow and Friday, we could see the VIX finally, guys, after. Hey, Solomon, welcome. The last time the VIX was above 20 was back in what's that? November, right? November of last year, right? So a little bit more selling, we'll get above 20 here in the VIX. Okay, so remember that's high volatility. Equities do not like high volatilities. Okay, look at our sectors here. All right, look at that, guys. All are down. We only have one sector that's up right now, energy. And energy is barely holding right now. All right. Remember, the majority of your of the sectors will go down when the market move lower. All right. All right. Hey, Kia, welcome, Kia. Welcome, welcome. All right. So just remember that, guys. All right. So the NASDAQ, S&P, right? The Dow, Russell, they're all down. And we'll call it all the sectors are down. Utilities neutral right here. Energy and precious metal here, right? They're up right now. But again, overall market down, selling across the board. Okay. So we should not be surprised here. Now we did get a pullback on the dollar. All right. The dollar index, I'm holding right at resistance right here. Got a bit of a pullback. All right. You know, traders are watching this level here. We were hoping for the dollar to just kind of break through. All right. Start looking to test up here, but it's pulling back for now. All right. Currently it's down, but still holding its buy signal, just taking a break. We anticipate the dollar will continue to move higher. Okay. All right. Bitcoin. Big news of the day. Bitcoin gave a sell signal. You guys know we've been watching Bitcoin at that 64,000 level right here. All right. I need to bring in the dates. Let's bring in the dates here so we can see this. So those of you who trade crypto, Pay attention to this because Bitcoin can be used as a barometer. So as Bitcoin moves lower, so will the other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so we can use Bitcoin as a barometer. All right, so the last time, guys, Bitcoin made a high to 64,000. You see 64,000 right here. This was back in 2021 right here. And then it made it again. What's that? November 2021. All right. Notice sellers came in heavy. Sellers came in heavy here, especially here. And then here we are, right? We were hoping for Bitcoin to hold above 64,000, right? Gap down. This on the weekly time frame. All right. And it's trading below 64,000. Now, we're still in the week. We need the week. So currently it's at 61. It needs to close below 61,000 to confirm that. But we do have a sell signal on the daily time frame, which is our trading window on Bitcoin. All right. So we had a sell signal that came in today. Perfect sell signal, guys. Look here. All right, buy signal was here. Most recent buy signal was right around 49,000 or so. Okay, and sell signal came in today. All right, came in today, broke support, red candle, sell signal. All right, now Bitcoin will move around. It might move higher. Okay, don't chase it. We'll wait for the next buy signal. All right, but it could move much lower. Okay, so nothing in Bitcoin. And let's take a quick look at Litecoin. Same thing here. All right. See how the others are following Bitcoin. Ethereum. Let's see Ethereum. Look at that sell signal right here in Ethereum. All right. And then Bitcoin Cash. All right. Same thing here. Red candles here. All right. So cryptos are done for now. All right. Done for now. Okay. All right. I want to take a look at big picture. Big picture. All right. Dow, big picture. All right, guys, we're coming back to support here. Previous resistance is support. All right. So we're in all-time highs territory, but you notice every week it's been coming lower and lower. If it breaks below here, right, below 36,500, we could see price move much lower. All right. So keep an eye on that. NASDAQ, all right, never really stayed above resistance here. Again, weekly time frame. All right, this goes back several years. All right, so it's so far right now it's failing to stay above resistance. That's a concern. If it come on down, breaks through that trend line here, we could see red candles, and then we'll look for support lower down. All right, S&P, I'm holding above, right? Purpose support and resistance. It is coming down 3 weeks in a row. It's been coming down again. Support right here. All right, let's see what it does at support. Remember, we coming with the end of the season. Sell in May and go away. We're in April. All right, so all that buying, it should be done. Coming to an end. No surprise. We're not surprised by this. Okay. Resistance is right here on the Russell. All right. Trading failed to stay above resistance. Right. This is where sellers came in before. Right here, there's a good chance, white candle here on the Russell, good chance we could get all the way back down to support here on the Russell. The Russell has struggled. Okay, so any opportunity to short the Russell back to support down here, traders will take that opportunity. All right, commodity index, buy signal still holding here. Commodities, perhaps the only trade, guys, gold, silver, energy. But again, we'll take a look at Stock Boss, Bullmaster, and Heat Seeker just to see. But overall, even with commodities, all right, look here, commodities pull back a bit right here, right? So these stocks they're still stocks, right? So they'll still pull back, all right? But that will be your best opportunity as far as equities. Right. So commodity, crude oil, we're waiting for a buy signal on crude oil, but price is moving higher. We should get a buy signal if it gets above resistance here. Crude oil. All right. Crude oil is right at 82 here. But I think the index is, that's in futures, I think 85. All right. But we could see crude oil move much higher. Gold is holding strong. All right. Buy signal was here. All right. This is when sellers came in before, pulled that price back down. It's holding, gold is holding firm at 2,381. All right. So gold is doing well, holding so far. Surprised by gold. The dollar index, right? We broke out. You guys know the dollar's making a move. We need a buy signal here on the weekly time frame. We get a buy signal on the weekly. That would be really good confirmation. Okay, but we do have a buy signal um, on the daily. All right, here is Bitcoin on the weekly. Right, we talked about this. Right, gap down, trading below 64,000. I tell you, that 64,000 mark, that's a very, very important number there. Okay, we'll see if Bitcoin can make it back up. The yen, right? The yen is moving lower, and pound yen, all right, moving higher, looking to break resistance here. Not a lot of really good price action on the smaller time frames, but on the weekly time frame looks really, really good. I think the daily looks good too. All right. All right. So a lot of data here. The Magnificent Seven. All right. We've been talking about these lately. All right. These are your very popular stocks like Amazon, Google, Facebook, Meta, Microsoft, Apple, NVIDIA, Tesla. All right, we'll spend some time on these as we move forward, because if these stocks break down, the market is in trouble. All right. All right. These stocks are the only stocks that are really holding the equity markets up right now. Okay. So, and we see selling across the board. All right. Selling across the board. Let's do this here. All right. All right, so Amazon, guys, made a nice move here. Buy signal was here, trading right at the high, right here. Pull back today. If it gets back down in this area, anywhere in this area here, we could see sellers take over like they did here. All right, so that's 160, 161 right here. That's an important area. All right, lots of consolidation in here. But we have sellers here. So if it gets back down in that area, trading at 181. All right. But 161, keep an eye on that. Okay. Google. All right. Same thing here. Right at resistance. Buy signal was a great move here. All right. Great move here. If it gets back down, same area, right? Right about here, which is 130, right here. See where sellers came in heavy? So right around here, guys. Price is right here. If it gets back down here, we could see sellers take over. All right. Um, our experienced traders, you know, you can look for puts. All right. These stocks will come down if we see some really good selling. All right. Meta, Facebook. All right, let's bring in our trend line here. Great trade here. Buy signal here was at 191, trading at 494. It's got a long way to get down here. All right, so if it can get down anywhere in this area right here, this is where sellers came in before. All right, but it's holding firm so far. Microsoft, that's holding again anywhere down here. Let's bring this in here. That doesn't mean we can't get a sell signal up here, but this is where we'll see real panic. All right, real panic right about here, but holding firm so far. Apple, all right, Apple, guess what? It's in that territory right now, right? That buy signal failed, and here it is right at support. All right, right at support here. If it breaks this support, next support level for Apple is down here. And these stocks, if this market This market plans to hold. These stocks have to hold. All right. Next support here for Apple, which is 112. Okay. If it gets past support here, next support, guys, is all the way down here at 54. Okay. So it better hold here, and then it absolutely has to hold here. If not, support is all the way down here. All right. NVIDIA, that's the big mover here. All right. Buy signal was here, all the way down here. All right. At 209, trading at 840. Right now, it's holding support right here, all green candles. All right. But this will go with the market. It will go. So let's see what it does. All right. Next support would be here. And you notice how fast it went up here. All right. It can come down pretty fast. There's no support here. All right. So we could see that price come all the way back down to 500. Support here is at 500. All right. The next support is right about here. This area right about here. Right in here. All right. We'll bring it right here. All right. So about let's say 400. And then next support all the way down here. And we'll bring this support levels just to see. Next support level 200 right here. All right. All right. And then Tesla, popular Tesla. All right. Tesla came from 400 and now it just broke support today. Weekly time frame this week. All right. It's in the markdown phase right here. Came down some more today, trading at 155. Now this is not support, but we'll bring this as a gauge. It's a low here. All right. So we'll just bring this here as a guide. All right. If it doesn't hold here, which doesn't have any reason to hold here, this is not support. This is just a low. All right. So traders are not really watching this area here as support. Next support is 25, right at $25. Let's put it right here, $25. Okay. All right. Lower highs, lower lows. There's a good chance, guys, Tesla could break through here. Right here, this price right here. And we have to watch these stocks, because if these stocks do not hold, that's it for the market. And we already have sell signals and sell short signals on all these indexes and these sectors, all these sectors. Okay. I want to spend time this evening going through this whole market, because things are turning. All right. Things are turning fast. So what we have to do now is defense. All right. So we need to be smart and play defense. All right. Stock boss, while we're here, we're going to run stock boss, a hit seeker for stock boss 5. So our traders that are here, Anthony, Solomon, you guys know 5. We haven't seen this. All right. So they're done. They're not buying 5 stocks and all healthcare. All right. Bull master, let's run it. 5, guys. 8 in bull master. All right. And mainly healthcare. We've got 1 energy here. Nothing here. 1 basic material. That's holding. Services. It looks like they're trying to do something with healthcare. All right. But nothing, guys. Nothing. So equities are done. You guys see, right? Equities are done. Nothing here. Okay. All right. Let's go through our current positions. Current positions in Forex, Monster Scalper. All right. So we have some dollar pairs. I know there was a pullback in the dollar pairs. Let's go through those. USD HUF. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Pullback. white candles here. Keep an eye on this area here. This is where sellers came in before, right here. All right, so keep an eye on it. Still holding white candles. We need green candles, buyers to come on back in. All right, USD MXN. All right, that's holding. Buy signal is here. That's holding firm on the 240. Good trade going here. Next area of resistance is right up here. I don't think the dollar is done yet, guys. All right. All right, so buy signal is here. All right, holding. USD MXN. USD PLN. Great trade going here. Bit of a pullback today. All right, but holding firm. Buy signal here. Good price action. Good trade. Holding firm there. USD DKK. All right, close today. All right, so USD DKK. Buy signal was here. White candle. Sell signal. Close the trade, please. All right, so USD DKK closed. All right, take your profits there. USD NOK, that's holding firm. Nicely in the markup phase. All right, reaccumulation. Buy signal here, that's holding. USD SEK, that's holding firm also. All right, buy signal here, holding, broke resistance right here. USD CNH, all right, that closed. Buy signal was here, red candle, broke support right here. Right here was support. Broke support. Sell signal right here. Red candle, we should be out. So USD CNH, close that trade, please. USD SEK, we said that's holding. SGD, all right, USD SGD, buy signal here, holding. We've got a white candle right here. It's current. White candle is current. Hopefully we can get buyers to push that price lower. Nothing to do here. All right. Dollar Swiss USD. All right. CHF. We're going to close this, guys. We have a purple support and resistance, and it's just we got white candles, and resistance is here, support is here. Let's bring that in. So support is here. All right. Let's see here. Your goal position, Anthony, is still good. All right. NG. All right. We'll take a look at those. So NG, ORGN, and SSRM. All right. Thanks, Anthony. We'll take a look at those in a minute. All right. We'll go ahead. USD CHF, guys. Right. Failing to stay above resistance, consolidating right here. Purple support and resistance, white candles here. All right, we'll go ahead and close this. All right, if this breaks support right here, previous resistance becomes support, you'll see a big red candle. So let's go ahead and take this. And that's in the, I mean, look, it's really overbought, guys. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's been going up for a while. So close it. It's struggling right now. And it has red down right here. So USD CHF, close that trade. All right. Dollar ZAR is holding fine. All right. Buy signal here. Does need to get past resistance here, but all green candles, nothing to do there. All right. So next target is all the way up here. Okay. Buy signal here, holding firm. All right. HKD JPY, that one's been doing well. All right. So buy signal here, that's holding fine right here. Nothing to do there. All right. We do have one short. We do have one short in Monster Scalper. And we added several dollar pairs in Forex Dominator also. We'll take a look at those. Short Aussie Swiss. Sell short signal is here. Still looks good. All right. A bit of a pullback today. All right. But all red candles. Sell short signal is up here. looks good. Target all the way down here. All right, first target. So it's holding firm again. Pull back a bit today. Okay. All right. Forex dominator daily time frame here. Let's take a look at these trades. Now, dollar and yen long. That's unusual, but let's see. Aussie yen. Aussie yen, that's holding right here, right? Got a white candle and bounce. We got a bounce. Bounce. Buyers are coming back in. We need to get past this resistance area here. Okay. Pound yen. Pound yen is holding firm. Buy signal is here, slowly moving higher. We can actually move this, bring in that trend line like so, right about here, like this. All right, so pound yen, right, moving higher there. HKD JPY, your Hong Kong yen, buy signal here, holding firm, moving higher there. SGD JPY, same thing. Look at the yen pairs. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Okay. Dollar yen, that should move up. All right. Dollar yen, buy signal here, good price action. Purple support and resistance, but I wouldn't pay a lot of attention to that. Good price action. Look at that. And big candles too, guys. Big candles. I think this, we said this was for about 400 pips. Just this move right here. 400 pips. ZAR yen. ZAR yen, buy signal here and moving up nicely. All green candles here. All right. So buy signal here. All right. Moving up. A bit of a pullback. It has to get past the highs right here. Okay. Got to get past that area. Now we have some dollar pairs we added yesterday, right? We send those out. Let's see. We know a move is happening in the dollar. All right. So USD CNH. All right. We closed it in Monster Scalper. Buy signal is here. Let's wait in Forex Dominator to see if it can hold. We would need buyers to step back in, guys, and continue moving higher. We'll hold it for now. So it's trading right above that buy signal. USD CNH, USD CZK. All right. The dollar pairs did pull back. Buy signal here. It's holding so far there. All right. CZK. USD DKK. Let's bring this here. All right. Buy signal here, holding firm, purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. HKD. All right. Hold on. HKD, we just need a breakout. Hold on. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we definitely have an upward trend, and your horizontal line, your resistance. See here, we've got a good resistance here where sellers came in before, here, holding here. Buy signal is here, so it's holding right at that resistance. All green candles. Keep an eye on it. HKD. All right, HUF. These are not easy trades here, guys. All right, buy signal here. Big candles has to get past that resistance here. Okay, we need the dollar index to hold and continue to move higher. Okay, all right, and okay, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Big pullback here, but all right, moving up nice. Need to get past this resistance here. The dollar needs to make a really push higher. USD PLN. All right, I know this is hard to see here. All right, this is just a breakout. Horrible chart, but it could break out. All right. A very tight range. USD PLN. All right, it is breaking out. Um, that shouldn't be your first trade. USD SEK. All right, buy signal here, breaking out, got past the first resistance level right about here. All right, target next resistance here. Okay. All right, and let's see. All right, USD SEK. We talked about this one. USD SGD. Okay. And TRY, we know what's going on with TRY. Just continuing to hold here. Okay. No shorts in Forex dominator. Quick look at equities. Quick look at equities. We'll take a look at Anthony's trades and we'll be done. All right. We only have three guys, three stocks in Stock Boss. So let's take a look. IE is holding firm right here. NG, Anthony, this is yours. That's holding firm right here. I would say if we get a white candle, just close the trade, okay? All right, it's holding firm, green candles. Buy signal is right here. It's holding firm. MKTG is pulling back, all right? So we were hoping it could get basically we can say it's gotten to that second level here, but it is pulling back right now. If we get buy-in tomorrow and Friday, we could see it continue to move higher. We'll hold for now. The buy signal is all the way down here. All right, all the way down here, and it's trading here. So no white candles, no red candles. So we'll let it hold for now. Okay, but that is a big pullback there. All right. Bull Master, let's take a look. ESTA, that's holding firm. JXN, that's holding. WDC, that's holding. MU, all right, a bit of a pullback here. All right, buy signal all the way down here, but I would say you get a white candle, close the trader. TDW, all right, white candle here, we'll close it. Buy signal was right here at 71. Close today at 90, guys. Close the trade. All right. All right. Even with energy, that's not good. Okay, that's not good here. We need green candles, buyers to hold and move higher. All right. Hold. White candle, that's not good there. Okay. So we'll close that. HCC, all right. A bit of a pullback here, still green candles. So we'll hold on to that one for now. Name of the game is defense. All right. Defense. A quick look at Monster ETF. All right. We talked about, all right, trading Monster ETF more now, right? All right. TWM, Monster ETF, that's holding. Look at that. All right. What is that? That is the Russell. Remember, as the Russell moves lower, we can trade, right, these ETFs, right? These short. This is the Russell short ETF, right? Made a decent move today. It's moving higher there. DOG, all right, DOG, that is your Dow short, all right, ETF. It's moving higher too. Moved a little higher today. Okay. So we get out of equities and we can trade some of these ETFs. Okay. For right now. All right. DOG Dow Short ETF. All right. Target all the way up here. So buy signal was at 29. Targeted at 33. All right. You're not gonna, it's not futures, it's not Forex, but it's not bad. Commodities index. All right. That's the DBC. Buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely. A bit of a pullback. And then the last one, DBE. All right. That's energy. Got a big white candle here. We'll hold for now. All right. White candle here. Buy signal was here. All right. Let's see if buyers can come back in. All right. Tomorrow and continue to move higher. All right. It's energy. So we'll hold that for now. No guarantees though with commodities. But this is an ETF. So we'll see. Keep an eye on it here. Okay. Stock boss. Take a look at your trades, Anthony. So GN, let's do it in here. I'm sorry, NG. All right, so NG is holding firm, nothing there. All right, and that's gold. ORGN. ORGN, that's basic materials. Anthony, where was your buy? Was your buy signal around? I'm assuming around 67. If you notice here, and that's basic material. You've got support here, but boy, you notice here you've got lower highs all the way down here. Lower highs right here. White candles, right? It's trying to find some level of support. Okay. So I would keep an eye on it tomorrow, see what it does. Keep a close eye, right? Support might be about right about here. Hopefully you get a bounce. All right. If not, you might have to close it. Okay. ORGN, and then the last one, SSRM, the last one here. All right. Same thing here. Right. It's trying to find support right at that resistance. Right here. All right. So buy signal here. All right, good markdown phase, but they're just holding it right now. And that's mining, that's gold. Okay, so this should be moving higher. If it's not moving higher, that's a concern. Okay, because gold did have a pullback, but it has been moving higher. So this should be breaking out. Okay, so keep an eye on it. All right, if you get a big white candle, just get out. Definitely get out on a red candle. All right, guys. So that's all we've got. Name of the game is defense right now. Protect your capital. Be aware of equities. All right. They're definitely the selling has started. All right. Selling has definitely started, and it's going to take a lot to move this market back in bullish territory. Okay. A lot will need to happen, and as you saw, Bitcoin, right? All Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of them giving sell signals. All right, sell signals on the market. All right, on right here, on the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, Russell, all the sectors here are down except for energy. All right, so everything we need to know is right here. All right. So don't try to be a hero. All right, guys. All right. So I'll see everyone tomorrow. Defense. All right. Protect your capital. All right. And hopefully we see commodities, traders are trying to digest all of this information, It's really difficult to go from being bullish for all these months, to all of a sudden switching that hat and go bearish. Okay, so they're trying to figure this out, and it will be nasty for a lot of investors. All right, if they don't protect themselves. Okay, all right, guys, take care. Have a good evening. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.